Enti Bongo Ideas, Edna Keka na ko pie mu Pastor Elvis Ajiman. Eye Afarian, the CEO of Afarian. Ola ko pie wona kachi amabusua eja egu ne chem. Pastor Elvis, how about reply Bongo Ideas? Enya sem kuma. Aha Penyah block media. Best was say any demo. Oba like video no other one. Subscribe button, somebody click notification icon no latest update. Time better why be there mama e comment section so oba so. No say first onya biahwe. So Oba ki 31st December no 2025 no. I na say 31st night crossover no. Asofo kudam eye program I say na emu ba ko any Pastor Elvis Ajiman. I say oh yeah Alpha Hour. Share the link. Oh yeah. You know, it was I think 3 days or 2 days. I think it was 3 days program. Oh yeah, no, Accra Sports Stadium on the 29th, 30th, 31st. I think it was 3 days program. Yes. Now on the 30th December no, Anna Bongo Ideas make it post to be. Or should I say Alpha Hour, Philadelphia, etc. are all religious cults disguised as spiritual movement. They don't worship God. They offer spiritual reverence and adoration to their leader. And what is where the brainwashing starts? And what is where? That is where, or what is where? That is where the brainwashing starts. But I will say what is where. But then and what is where the brainwashing starts? It's a cancer in their mind which would critical attention. It's a cancer in their mind which would critical attention. We so Penyah Philadelphia elbow for Adum Chebia or no Pastor Elvis omu enye nyame no mo som no omu ye court chete omu den a court movement enye nyame som ba omu heda e de na ada na yi brainwash omu members no na omu enya omu ene ade just say wait I don't just say enko ehia critical attention but the brother no nya ba enfa no sa I say e di ade 31st December na just Alpha Hour or pulling massive crowd a domwa na gu Accra Sports Stadium no na enye dom kuma na no say asoro ne course no na there were over live stream na there were momo numbers any other papa Ajiman Philadelphia papa Ajiman Alpha Hour or no ya asoro bia na because any people person almost so seed into our banks international banks and local banks and also our the paper account either so and momo numbers 80 whatever medium bia na you know email bia no you can use it to sow your seed. Opeso auto offering enya by force. That person money bibia per wangasa will feel opeso money bibia. The numbers are there, the banks are there, the paper is there. You can use any of them in your convenience. Nice what the I sow seed and I bibia person all the manner. It I don't know. I don't go to say. You see the momo numbers, the bank's account, the dollar, euro and pounds accounts. He even has paper, Zelle and Cash App, MBS Game Boy vibes. So I said these are in an MBS from Game Boys from vibes. He's cashing out from Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube streams. Alpha Hour pastor to make at least 2 million this night. Man has hacked the minds of these gullible, fanatical Christians, and it's sad. Church in Africa is a lucrative business. Just say. Africa hanum there so that wa hanum no adwuma e disika befi enso na nenia bro Alpha Hour so pa e ma that did can same with the first night no e ma eno take order na we say right after the first night no it was on 10th January Anna Esther Smith e go PMO one of the TV stations na ogo grant interview na hono ana o kire mu abra no ofri amano ne eba Ghana no December yi mu no ens atrenchim bia eto no ene ekwan boni ban ko bi di na efa so eho eroka ensem we
me baba Ghana could you believe so be try say omo be community am fa 300,000 euros emra
Sir?
yeah me oh yes abasa for German country
Wow.
what you tell me who send me na ma power ni nyina no where they breaking power bloggers for the baba man who say me na ma power ni na be na give me you
Wow.
and if I say on him say me near the contract a man say o me come
Jesus.
number in Nigeria number oh try
Wow. And unya message no through their platform.
Through Kusimensa, I number at the outdoor. No, see nipa no. Na kasa ni nyamu. Ankrofo ya be from ma wona a waka modo no. Awurade ma won sign. Enipa bi wo ho a wo kasi a day a woni wo mu enya interruption kra. Say ye be ko program na akwe ya tro asafoje. Me kwaji me YouTube. Me ko wato him. No wako YouTube.
Wow.
We back up program now we don't have time for them.
Now in 7 Esther Smith no. And na Bongo Ideas a twisting in his statement. And we link you to Pastor Elvis no 31st night, on the first night, na Esther Smith e wo ho no. O go perform ye. E ho no ana Bongo Ideas e be tire say, I was at Alpha Hour. I was charged £300,000 for prayers against a threat on my life. Esther Smith drums bombshell. And as a Bongo Ideas actually, I've always known this guy can't be trusted. Keep making these pastors rich. And as a account. Meanwhile, and someone Esther Smith account, it has nothing to do with the statement of Bongo Ideas making. Esther Smith was talking about the fact that someone wanted to take £300,000 from her, or the person will kill her. The person threatened her. But Bongo Ideas in such a way say, Alpha Hour and Jessica no from Esther Smith horn because obisi obekono enjane obebon paye keke amano no ene ohia £300,000. Emma do buy Bongo Ideas make this publication no. These hungry bloggers no money madjuma no. Almost start say I Alpha Hour CEO Pastor Elvis Adjumai charge me £300,000 to pray against a threat on my life. Esther Smith cries, and this is coming from GF Icon. GF Icon, be serious. Be serious. You are a colleague blogger. Be serious. Esther Smith never said this nonsense. And how we got our make you fly. And what should I say? Just you are making it seem like you are making it look like Esther Smith not making this quote directly, but this quote Bongo Ideas and I can't inquire asem. But how was I making this fly? We read that as Esther Smith and I cry. And you know these hungry bloggers, they started peddling this falsehood. Go viral. If mention go viral, enti ekoyama. Esther Smith ehuye. Esther Smith ehuye and or drop a letter. 10. And what should I say? Clarification on misleading report concerning Pastor Elvis Adjumai and Alpha Hour. We have taken note of widely circulated report and commentaries on social media suggesting that Pastor Elvis Adjumai of Alpha Hour demanded or received money in exchange for prayers. These claims are false, misleading, and a gross distortion of facts. We wish to state unequivocally that during our engagement with Pastor Elvis Adjumai and the Alpha Hour team, we were treated with respect, dignity, and genuine pastoral care. At no point was any amount requested, demanded, or charged for prayers. On the contrary, adequate security and support were provided, and all interactions were conducted with professionalism and integrity. Pastor Elvis Adjumai has demonstrated consistent character, accountability, and transparency, and he remains a leader who can be trusted. Any narrative portraying him otherwise are inaccurate and should be disregarded. We therefore call on the general public, the Alpha Hour family, and fans of Esther Smith to disregard all speculation, sensational headlines, and misrepresentations currently circulating on social media. We urge media practitioners and bloggers to exercise responsibility, verify facts, and avoid publishing content that may mislead the public or damage reputation. This statement is issued in the interest of truth, clarity, and peace. Signed, Esther Smith Management. It's Esther Smith, the team of management. Omode and somebody say Omo di bank and almost say word of caution to the bloggers. I say Omo security these false and misleading comments. And what you say, Pastor Elvis Adjumai, on one of the episode on Alpha Hour, or this particular video, and I say, oh, children, no, on his came through be a hotter, and one pie movie. And if I saw everything come on, not just idea is all the conversation, forget it.
There has not been any political figure that will come to me or talk to me on phone, my first rule is that nobody gives me money for me to take. So if you want me to have a relationship with you, never mention the matter of money. If you accept, I can ask why you came. If not, no talk, no communication. And any great figure that comes to me that I know that you are very wealthy, that is my first statement to you. That if you want anything from me regarding my God, let's not talk about money. Don't mention money. That's not what I'm here for. Now, what is your situation? If I finish with you, go in peace. Go in peace. Because if I don't take care and my heart comes after your pocket, the oil on me will miss you. If my heart comes after your pocket, the oil on me that must work on you will miss you. Meme say I got my experience from colleagues and other stuff. Say you are on the sea, we all fear God. Until when there's an opportunity to do what is not right to get results, and you realize that the person won't blink. The person won't blink, he won't think twice. And it's not about results or boy. Chance bass will be to my BBC. I'm a wenya BBC 1 million.
No, he's not interested. And in fact, he's not interested in any way, say. Papa, me respecting, or didn't I respect him and say, oh no, or you're smart. Managing young man who pine away, say, or beginning with YouTube and Facebook, and now boom, a man no honomo. But all over millions of subscribers on YouTube and millions of followers on Facebook. Or by live when you play Guso 20,000 instant views on YouTube. Monetization is active, intact. Sika will make you a YouTuber no. I'm a YouTuber, so I can tell you the amount of money Pastor Elvis is making on YouTube, you have no idea. And the amount of money he's making on Facebook, you have no idea. And you combine Facebook money and YouTube money, the man is damn rich. That he doesn't need money from anybody. And so because now I say, we're building who ye, Papa is smart. We're building who from social media. And the amount of money he makes from Facebook and YouTube every month, you have no idea. It can build mansion. The amount of money he makes every month, it can build mansion. Ain't easy. Ain't easy. And people just be talking about this man as if that we're nobody. And I was here, and someone Bongo Ideas can but very when you go. Finally, Pastor Elvis also drop a legal statement to Bongo Ideas. We are not say omu issue legal, on 15 January 2026. And demand for immediate retraction of defamatory and false statement by Albert Nat Hyde, aka Bongo Ideas, against Alpha Hour and its leaders. 4. And on behalf of our client, Alpha Hour and its leaders, Pastor Elvis Ajimai, also known as the Chief Afarian, the attention of Alpha Hour and its leaders have been drawn to a series of false, defamatory, and malicious statements published and circulated by Bongo Ideas, whose real name is Albert Nat Hyde. Alpha Hour and its leadership categorically reject and strongly condemn the false, malicious, and defamatory statement recently published by Bongo Ideas on his Facebook and Instagram handles on 14th January 2026 against Alpha Hour and its leader. The said defamatory statement were mischievously published with video and audio format, which content contradicts the assertions and libelous statement published by Bongo Ideas alongside. The defamatory words are, I was at Alpha Hour and I was charged £300,000 for prayers against a threat on my life. Esther Smith drones bombshell. I've always known this guy can't be trusted. Keep making these pastors rich. There's a homo equity in someone Bongo Ideas. These statements, which have been circulated publicly, constitute defamation and character assassination and are entirely untrue, misleading, and unsupported by fact. They appear to be deliberately calculated to damage the reputation, credibility, and integrity of Alpha Hour and its leadership. As it is hard to kick against the pigs, the management of Esther Smith have firmly issued press release on 15 January 2026 denying the defamatory statement published by Bongo Ideas against Alpha Hour and Minister Esther Smith to minister at the Alpha Hour convocation on 30th December 2025 amid other Christian ministers. There's almost the about almost 80 bank the falsehood and circulated by Bongo Ideas against them. And me no, I am happy, but I am not okay. In a way, say this good for nothing boy, this stupid boy, Bongo Ideas, more brebiada, only my brabo, I don't why any bicycle, only she way up, all make it life bia. Only she, I wa brabo mu. He doesn't earn anything. Take Twitter now, what you know, I can boldly sit on my platform and tell you, say, he doesn't make more than 10,000 cedis a month, or make it be. He doesn't make more than 10,000 cedis. YouTube and Farmer no. We're creating a channel June 2024. Got 2 years in here. Still, onuru 4,000 subscribers. Onuru ye. Monetization unqualified because the total views right 200,000 views unqualified for monetization. There's no advert on his channel. He's not getting anything from YouTube. And this foolish boy will be talking about people. Omoma bobra. Nipa or mame no papa kura sebe. Anybody so mbesiano to even to the point of shaking hands with them. This stupid boy Bongo Ideas will sit on his stupid social media pages and be writing nonsense. And you know, now bloggers here almost epic information from Bongo Ideas. A blogger, a content writer, and your source of information is Bongo Ideas. A blogger, and your source of information is Bongo Ideas. That's a year. My writer can never do this. I will fire you that very day. Now my writer, let me be penyahblogmedia.com. I will check it news I will post it. Now my car and some Bongo Ideas I can. My writer, watch the news about it. Bongo Ideas, and I will fire you that day. That my writer, and I will fire you that day. When you serious. Yet the guy has some kwasia samso. Kwasia we. Obi siu no, mun siu Bongo Ideas. Na mun siu na se mo ya na ye demand public retraction and apology. Dabi mun siu no. Mun siu obi siu Bongo Ideas. No put it to order because ya in there. On said okay kan kwase asem a dem eba say okay mu demand retraction and unqualified public apology. No obe render apology. Na trade na china waka kan kwase asem for obi ho. Obi siu no mo ne ka no ntia. Mo siu no we mo just 100,000 cedis 1 billion per onya. Mo siu no na different no obesua nyansa. Ya ende we want to church ade am be yan say okay we demand unqualified public apology. Asa it ya ende jimini ya kan ho no mo. Chira wadwe mama e wo comment section. I Penyah Media Accra.